across to West Bengal. Well, that's the big breaking news that we are getting for you regarding Mamata Banerjee now. She's speaking. Let's listen in.
My chief secretary accompanied me. But you tell me from yesterday, planned wise, they have shown some vacant chair so that I didn't sit there. Why I'll sit there? I discussed the matter with you. There was no seat inside the Prime Minister wherever he was sitting. Only his seat was there and side seat was there for us. So what was the need to sit there? When I have seen there are so many political parties are waiting who are not even entitled to attend the PMCM's meeting. Now who violated the norms? We never. Ami mone kori to respect the Bengal people, to respect the countrymen, to respect the Prime Minister and Home Minister. Even nowadays, Home Minister also called the meeting, the virtual. Prime Minister also called the virtual meeting. We attended every meeting. Do you think that if I don't attend one meeting, they will give a bad name and they will defect? Sometimes we have some other work also. How many meetings will attend? My chief secretary, my home secretary, my finance secretary, they are attending every meeting. From Prime Minister to Home Minister to Cabinet Minister, Cabinet Secretary to Home Secretary to all. All the time if they do the central job, when they will do the state job, are they fixed for the state job or they are fixed for central job? For central, we trust Cabinet Secretary. He used to do the central job. The Home Secretary, they used to do the central job. For state, we have the Chief Secretary. He is the head of the administration. He leads the administration and my Home Secretary and my Finance Secretary and all. Don't you think after the meeting, it's a political vendetta that I thought since you are touching the land of Bengal, we reached Kalaikunda in time in the interest of the state. And for state, whatever I can do for Bengal people, I have a special interest for that. If Prime Minister tell me, you touch my feet, I will help Bengal, that also I am ready to do. But please don't humiliate me like this. Don't insult me like this. Don't defame about Bengal without knowing the case. One-sided manipulation, news manipulation you are giving from the PM house. And you are pressurizing the press to carry out that news. That is not correct at all. Not at all. I have a respect for Prime Minister, I have a respect for Home Minister, I have a respect for other also. This is a courtesy. Constitution protocol we always used to maintain. But you tell me, why you people are behaving with me like this? You cannot digest the defeat. That's why from day one, you started this type of actioning. Every time you are going for confrontation, what happened when I went to Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose's program? What happened? You people have noted everything. I don't have anything to say. You have seen everywhere. That meeting also for COVID meeting. You called us. You didn't allow us to speak. Now you tell me, every time we are cooperating you, but you people are not cooperating us. Instead of cooperation, now when I was in Digha and we are busy our meeting with Digha regarding devastation and cyclone affected area, then suddenly it's very shocking to receive a letter from the Government of India in the evening regarding requisitioning of services of the Chief Secretary West Bengal by the Government of India. It must be clear that the interest of Bengal I can go to any extent. That is why I had visited Kalaikunda by readjusting my programs. I will do all these things in future also for the sake of Bengal. However, it must be kept in mind that the head of the elected government should get its due recognition and honor. We must get our respect and our honor. What was the fault of Chief Secretary? he was working with me. That obvious. Chief Secretary is a state government officer. Maybe they are central pools, from central pools they come. But you know, after Sarkaria Commission and other commission, that they are the state government officers. They work for the central government, state government fully. Now head of the state administration, now Chief Secretary, you gave notice without any consultation that we want requisition in Delhi. He should have joined. Retiring day is 31st. Do you have any courtesy? Yes, 3 months he has got extension. That also, I gave my letter. You see, this is my letter, 10th of May. That because of COVID situation and because of this Yas and cyclone, to give more attention for the devastation, for reconstruction, for relief work, to help the COVID people, to fight the pandemic, we want that old secretary, he should get 3 months extension. And it is already, the system is there. Only cabinet secretary give this permission. If I ask 6 months, then it go to Prime Minister. They are kind enough, they have sanctioned this 3 months. They have given the letter dated 24th of May. After 15 days, I have received the reply that is 3 months extension has been granted approval through competent authority. And after that, last day of his not final retirement, he has got 3 months extension to work for COVID, to work for cyclone. Now he was saying that he should come back. Under which rules? You tell me within 74 hours, 4 years. Have you ever seen this type of incident? You are not only disturbing me, you are disturbing my secretariat. You are disturbing my chief secretary. Don't you think there are so many chief secretary in so many states? One humiliation, you can humiliate my chief secretary, but all the chief secretaries are being humiliated. Don't you think IAS, they have the lobby also? IPS, they have the lobby also? They are very much shocked. They are very much shocked for this unconstitutional, illegal, without consultation, the one-sided to humiliate the chief secretary, to humiliate the chief minister, to humiliate my government. What happened to Bengal? Why? Why you are behaving like this? We have got landslide victory. That is only your worry. You have tried your best. What not you done at the time of election? But instead of all this, it is the blessings, it is the dua, it is the support of my young brothers, senior men, middle class men, the women voters, all my farmers, my industrial workers, the Bengal peoples, they voted us. And they ousted you. Please accept the mandate of the people. Why you are quarreling with us every day? What do you think? That you want to bulldoze the federal structure fully? Don't you think that it is it's fair enough? Every time if you bulldoze the state federal structure, yes, some place you have the government, but some place the opposition government is there. But for West Bengal there is a separate rule, martial law. Another place there is a different rule of law. Why? Every time you are blaming state government, that government is working hard every time. Even you don't give us our money. আমার অত্যন্ত দুঃখ লেগেছে এই কারণে যে ওয়ান সাইডেড কালকে সারা দিল্লিতে আমাকে যেভাবে অসম্মান করা হয়েছে, অসম্মানিত করা হয়েছে, অপমানিত করা হয়েছে, টোটাল মিথ্যে খবরের উপর ভিত্তি করে, এবং প্রধানমন্ত্রীর দপ্তর থেকে এই খবরগুলো খাওয়ানো হয় এবং মিনিস্টারদের দিয়ে একই কথা তোতা পাখির বুলির মতো বলা হয়। আমরা করছিলাম সাইক্লোন ডিভাস্টিং এরিয়ায় কাজ, আমরা করছিলাম মিটিং, কি করে মানুষ জল পায়, কি করে রাস্তা হয়, কি করে মানুষ খাদ্য পায়, কি করে ঘরবাড়ি তৈরি হয়, আর ওনারা তখন আমাদের বিরুদ্ধে আমরা কত খারাপ সেটা লোকের কাছে প্রমাণ করছিল। আমি আপনাদের কাছে নমস্কার করে বলবো প্রাইম মিনিস্টার স্যার, যদি আপনার এনি রাগ